मैं वहाँ गया हूँ। I've been there. I've been there. मैं ये देख चुका हूँ। I've seen it. I've seen it. रोहन ने फ़ोन नहीं किया। रोहन hasn't phoned. रोहन hasn't phoned. बस एक पल, just a moment. Just a moment. पुरुष या महिला, मेल और फीमेल, मेल और फीमेल। पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं है। Money isn't everything. Money isn't everything. उससे अधिक, more than that. More than that. हवाई अड्डे के पास, near the airport. Near the airport. बैंक के पास, near the bank. Near the bank. आपके बगल में, next to you. Next to you. अभी या बाद में, now or later. Now or later. ठीक है, चलो चलते हैं। Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. बाईं तरफ, on the left. On the left. दाईं तरफ, on the right. On the right. खिड़की खोलो, open the window. Open the window. होटल के बाहर, outside the hotel. Outside the hotel. कृपया अंदर आएं, please come in. Please come in. कृपया बैठ जाएं, please sit down. Please sit down. आपसे आज रात को मिलते हैं। See you tonight. See you tonight. वह एक विशेषज्ञ है। He is an expert. He is an expert. क्या मैं इंतज़ार करूं? Should I wait? Should I wait? आगे क्या हुआ? What happened next? What happened next? कार स्टार्ट करो। Start the car. Start the car. ज़रूर, क्यों नहीं? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? आराम करो। Take a rest. Take a rest. टहल लो। Take a walk. Take a walk. ये दवाई लो। Take this medicine. Take this medicine. ये बहुत अच्छा दिखता है। That looks great. That looks great. वो पुराना दिखता है। That looks old. That looks old. इससे बदबू आती है। This smells bad. This smells bad. ये उसकी किताब है। That's her book. That's her book. वो पर्याप्त नहीं है। That's not enough. That's not enough. ये सही नहीं है। That's not right. That's not right. ये बहुत बुरा है। That's too bad. That's too bad. उन्हें देर हो गई। They are late. They are late. वे कल पहुँचे। They arrived yesterday. They arrived yesterday. वे वही हैं। They are the same. They are the same. वे बहुत व्यस्त हैं। They are very busy. They are very busy. ये काम नहीं करता है। This doesn't work. This doesn't work. पहन कर देखो। Try it on. Try it on. ये क्या है? What is it? What is it? वो क्या है? What is that? What is that? तुम्हारा पता क्या है? What's your address? What's your address? दिनांक क्या है? What's the date? What's the date? तापमान क्या है? What's the temperature? What's the temperature? आज तारीख क्या है? What's today's date? What's today's date? कौन सा अच्छा है? Which one is better? Which one is better? कौन सा मेरा है? Which one is mine? Which one is mine? सभी चीज़ों के लिए धन्यवाद। Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. मेरी तरफ से माफ़ी मांग लेना। Convey my apologies. Convey my apologies. उससे क्या हो गया? What happened to her? What happened to her? अच्छे लड़के बनो. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. मेरे पैर दबाओ please. Press my leg please. Press my leg please. धीरे धीरे मेरा सर दबाओ. Press my head gently. Press my head gently. आप कैसे हारे? How did you lose? How did you lose? मैं उसे नहीं हरा पाया. I couldn't defeat him. I couldn't defeat him. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है? Do you think so? Do you think so? मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. पता नहीं क्यों. I don't know why. I don't know why. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. तो क्या मैं जाऊं? Shall I go then? Shall I go then? अभी सो जाओ. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. चलो सो जाते हैं. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. चलो कहीं और चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. हम साथ में जाएंगे. We'll go together. We'll go together. छोड़ो मुझे. Let go of me. Let go of me. जाकर थोड़ी देर सो लो. Go take a nap. Go take a nap. वो घर नहीं जा पाया. He couldn't go home. He couldn't go home. जाकर उनका स्वागत करो. Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. तुरंत वापस जाओ. Go back at once. Go back at once. तुरंत वापस आओ. Come back at once. Come back at once. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? क्या हम यहाँ बैठ सकते हैं? Can we sit here? Can we sit here? एक एक करके आओ. Come one by one. Come one by one. किसी दिन घर पर आओ. Come visit us someday. Come visit us someday. जब तुम्हें ठीक लगे आ जाना. Come whenever you like. Come whenever you like. मैं यहाँ अभी अभी आया हूँ. I've just come here. I've just come here. यहाँ पर कोई नहीं है. No one is here. No one is here. क्या तुम साथ आओगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? कोई आया अभी तक? Has anybody come yet? Has anybody come yet? मतलब की बात करो. Come to the point. Come to the point. पता चल जाएगा. You will come to know. You will come to know. मेरी गोद में आओ. Come on my lap. Come on my lap. मेरी बाहों में आओ. Come in my arms. Come in my arms. चलो उठ जाओ. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. लो मैं उठ गया खुश. See, I'm up, happy. See, I'm up, happy. तुमने रोहन को देखा क्या? Have you seen Rohan? Have you seen Rohan? तुमने उसे देखा क्या? Have you seen him? Have you seen him? मैंने उसे कहीं देखा है. I've seen him somewhere. I've seen him somewhere. मैंने तुम्हें देखा नहीं. I didn't see you. I didn't see you. मैंने ये देखा है. I've seen it already. I've seen it already. बहुत समय से दिखे नहीं. Long time no see. Long time no see. अगली बार मिलते हैं. See you next time. See you next time. अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं. See you next week. See you next week. रविवार को मिलते हैं. See you on Sunday. See you on Sunday. आज के बाद मुझसे कभी मत मिलना. Never see me again. Never see me again. मैं अक्सर उससे मिलता हूँ. I often see him. I often see him. वो अक्सर गलती कर बैठता है. He often makes mistakes. He often makes mistakes. मुझसे गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. कोई शोर मत करो. Don't make any noise. Don't make any noise. ये गलती से हो गया. It happened by mistake.